What's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you our indicator I put together. I've been working on this indicator for the past year or so, and now I want to bring it to the market. Okay. This indicator provides you with highly, highly accurate buy and sell signals based on extremes that happen in the market. This indicator is called Vinny's Trading Cheat Code. Okay. The reason why I call it a cheat code because it gives you, again, highly accurate buy and sell signals based on extremes that happen in the market. So let me go ahead and show you the indicator. All right, so let's go ahead and click here. All right, so we're on the daily time frame on the dollar index. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this indicator includes a moving average. Okay, I use a 47 moving average. All right, and we have these bands. Okay, and these bands are a lot smoother than a Bollinger Band. Okay, and these are the extremes that happen in the market. So as you can see, if price goes outside one of these bands, that's a high or low and extreme, and you'll get a buy or sell signal. Okay, now you don't just want to blindly take any buy and sell signal, guys. You want to make sure you're trading in the right direction. You want to make sure you're on the right time frame. But again, as you can see, guys, I mean, the accuracy of this indicator is impeccable, guys. I mean, it's just been win after win after win with this indicator. Okay. Again, if you're following the trend, it gives you all these pullback signals. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pullback signals, highly accurate pullback signals you could have got in to go with the trend on the daily dollar index. Also, if you wanted to go against the trend, you're on the daily time frame. You could have got in here on this sell signal. Again, on this sell signal. Okay. Now, this indicator gives you two types of buy and sell signals. Okay. We have what we call the cheat code sell signal. Okay. That's when price goes outside the bands. You'll get a cheat code sell signal, and you also have a divergence buy and sell signal. Okay. So when you see these buy and sell signals that are highlighted, these are divergences that happen in the market. Okay, I like to trade divergence, and many other traders do too. So it gives you two types of signals. Okay, once you get these two signals combined, like you have here in this example, guys, that is a major pullback that's going to happen. Okay, a major pullback that's going to happen in the market. As you can see, this was a major pullback that happened in the market. All right. Again, you want to wait for price to go outside of one of these bands to take a trade. All right. So how we take a trade and how we use this indicator is simple. Once price goes outside the band, we'll get a buy or sell signal. Okay. You want to wait for price or the candle to close back inside of the band. All right. So let's take a look at this example right here. So we got to, let me go ahead and make this bigger so you guys can see. Okay, so in this example right here, guys, let me go ahead and get rid of this. Price came outside of the band. Okay, it's giving us a buy signal. All right, as soon as price closed back inside of the band, that's when we want to take the trade. Okay, this is a confirmation that we are going in an upward direction. All right. Our stop would be below that low, and we could have took it up all the way until it went outside the band again. All right, or we can hold our position since we are above the 47 moving average, and again, the line is still blue, indicating that we are still going up in an upward trend, direction, guys. Okay, so this indicator again can be applied to any financial market, whereas Forex, cryptocurrency, metals, stocks, indices. I'll show you another example of gold and US 30 in here in a second. Provides signals for any direction, buy or sell, okay? Again, you don't want to take just any buy and sell signal. Really, is based off extremes that happen in the market. So if price, I'll show you an example. If price sometimes goes outside of the band and it doesn't give you a signal, you can still take that trade because it's an extreme in the market. All right. And price wants to come back towards that band. All right. You can trade this on any time frame, the 1 minute all the way up to the weekly time frame. Okay. We give you a step-by-step guide that would explain how to trade it. We have a set of rules, which I call the cheat code rules, and I'll show you that an example of that in a second. But let me go ahead and show you US 30 on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here's US 30. Okay, we're on a daily time frame real quick. I just still want to show you how highly accurate these buy and sell signals are, guys. It's like, it's ridiculous. Okay, it's game changing. All right, so here's an example right here. As you see that price went outside the band again, we didn't get a buy or sell signal, but we got this long bearish engulfing candle. So with this indicator, you can change the settings and colors to whatever you like. All right, whatever suits you. But as you can see, these white and yellow candles are simply engulfing candles. Okay, so it gives you more of a confirmation, lets you know that you're trading in the right direction. All right, so again, we didn't get a signal here, but again, we could have took this trade because price went outside the band. Okay, when price goes outside the band, that lets us know there's going to be a reversal in the market. All right, so these are highly accurate reversal and pullback signals that happen, in the market. All right, so we have an example here of price on the US 30 on the daily time frame. You have a divergence buy signal, and we also have a cheat code buy signal. All right, so it lets us know that price is going to be going in an upward direction. All right, so let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can see how accurate these signals are. So we had some news that came out the other day. Prices dropped. Again, it went outside the band. What does that give us an indication of? That's that we can trade this back up. Okay, so again, all we want to do is wait for price to close back inside of the band. Actually, you could have got in a little earlier. I would have took the trade a lot earlier because I know how this indicator works. But my advice is to wait for price to close inside of the band, and you could have took that trade back up. Okay. Again, we have a sell signal, we have a divergent sell signal, and we also have a cheat code sell signal. You could have took this trade. All right, price went outside the band, and then again it dropped. Okay, so if you would have held that position, I mean, the pip count would have been ridiculous. Again, we want to hold our position until price touches the blue band again. So if you would have held your position, you would have had that huge move in the news. Okay, you would have had all this just holding your position. Okay, also, as you can see here, all right, these lines that you see, these lines indicate support and resistance. Okay, it indicates support and resistance. You can take those lines off, but you have support and resistance, and it tells you whether it's a daily support and resistance, 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so you have that automatically built into the system. Again, simple. We want to make this as simple as possible. If price is above the 47 moving average, we're buying. If price is below, guys, we are selling. Okay, let's go to gold real quick. Okay, let's look at some examples on gold. Let me go ahead and move the drawings here. All right, we're on a 1 hour time frame. Let's go down to the 15-minute. I like trading gold on the 15-minute using this indicator. Okay. All right. With gold, I mean, we have an excellent pullback signal here, right here. Okay. That you could have took with gold. Boom. And got a nice drop all the way down. Okay. That would have been your gold trade right there. All right. Again, you could have took this counter trend trade on gold, you know, got 20, 30 pips real quick and got out. Some news that came out again. We had a divergence sell signal before the news hit. All right. So if you would have took this trade, I would wait for an extreme. An extreme did happen in the market. Price went up outside the band. So it lets us know that it's a reversal that's going to happen in the market. And we could have caught all of this based on our sell signal. Okay. And then you could have caught the trade back up. Actually, we caught this trade back up, and I'll show you how we caught this trade back up in the Telegram. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but I called out the signal in the Telegram group, and we had again, we had an extreme that happened in the market. Price went outside the band, indicating that there's going to be a reversal, and we took that trade. Okay, and got over 250 pips. Just that quick, guys, with this system. So I do provide signals in the Telegram group. And man, this indicator is highly, highly accurate. So we have a set of rules that we trade by, that we use this indicator with, guys, to get our accuracy. Okay. We don't take every single buy and sell signal. All right. Depending on which time frame that you're on. But again, guys, this is going to help you in your trading so you can be consistently profitable, okay, based on these set of rules. So what I'm doing for the next 30 days, guys, I'm doing a case study group, okay? And this case study group is going to consist of learning how to grow a small account to a large account using my trading plan and using this indicator that you see here, guys. I mean, this indicator is truly, truly amazing. You shouldn't just, we don't trade solely based on the indicator. Okay. But we have a set of rules that we follow when it comes to this indicator that is giving us a tremendous amount of pips and making us a lot of money. I can't lie to you. It's making us a lot of money with this indicator because it's so highly accurate when it comes to the buy and sell signals, the reversals, and the pullbacks. So join the case study group. The group will be on Facebook, guys. The link to join will be in the description below. The indicator right now, this indicator will be going up in price. Okay. This indicator will be going up in price. Again, the indicator right now is $250. But what I'm going to do for the next, I don't know how many days, but right now I'm going to give you a discount, $200 discount to get this indicator and join our case study group. I'm trying to make as many successful examples with this indicator as possible. So I'll be able to build that side of the business. So I'm going to give you a $200 discount. So this indicator is going to be $50 for a limited time. Okay, the price will be going up to about $1,400 within the next 2 weeks. Okay, because again, this indicator is highly accurate. It is truly a cheat code. It is really a cheat code when it comes to these markets. If you follow the rules that we put in place for you, you're going to win more than you lose. Okay, you're going to win more than you lose. So again, you guys will have access to the Telegram group. You'll have access to this case study group. Every week we'll be learning how to use this indicator to trade with and how to build a small account. Again, I'm going to give you a discount. The discount code will be in the description below. It's $200 off for a limited time. Make sure you take advantage of that. And that's it, guys. Get inside the group and you'll learn more about how this indicator works. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.